Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking a high ROI niche and preparing only the essentials so you can move fast. First, validate demand with a quick keyword check and competitor scan. This tells you where profits live. Next, set up your domain, lightweight site, and email tool so you can collect leads immediately. Then add 3-5 top affiliate offers and record commission rates and tracking links. Once done, you have a working foundation that turns research into measurable traffic and revenue. Now you build the funnel using AI to scale precision and speed. Use AI to generate topic clusters and headline variants. This speeds research and keeps consistent voice. Then have AI draft long-form content, short social posts, and a lead magnet. You polish these quickly and publish. Next, wire a 3-step email funnel that pushes traffic to your landing pages and affiliate links, and set up a /B tests for calls to action. Make sure to automate posting and click tracking so you can finish by optimizing and scaling what already converts, because growth starts with refinement. You check conversion rates, cost per acquisition, and return on ad spend, then reinvest in the channels delivering the best ROI. Once scaling begins, expand into paid ads and lookalike audiences while feeding AI fresh data for new content clusters. If results drop, troubleshoot tracking first. Confirm UTM parameters, affiliate ID, and server timestamps. Fixing those often restores accurate reporting and lets you grow with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.